You're driving along, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam, that dreaded check engine light stares you down like a debt collector. Your car starts stumbling between gears, or maybe it idles so rough you think it's about to take its last breath. Your first instinct? Call the mechanic. But before you do that, listen closely. In 95% of cases, nothing is actually broken. Your car's brain is just confused and begging for a reset. Most shops will charge you hundreds of dollars just to tell you what I'm about to show you for free. Today, I'm revealing 11 powerful reset tricks you can do in your own driveway with zero tools. And stick around for number 1. It's the secret handshake between the key and the ignition that even veteran mechanics keep under wraps. Let's save you some serious cash. 11th trick, Throttle Position Sensor or TPS Reset. Ever step on the gas and your car hesitates for a second, almost like it's second-guessing your command? Or maybe you've noticed sudden jerks while cruising. This is usually caused by the throttle position sensor falling out of sync. This happens after weak battery episodes, carbon buildup, or just years of driving. The sensor stops reading the full range of your pedal movement, confusing the engine computer. Here's the fix. Insert your key and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. All your dashboard lights should be on. Now, slowly, and I mean slowly, press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Then, slowly release it back up. Turn the key to off and wait about 30 seconds. When you start the car, let it idle for a minute. This retrains the sensor to understand your pedal's full sweep. You'll notice smoother acceleration and crisper throttle response immediately. It feels like giving your car its reflexes back. 10th trick, MAF Sensor Reset. You're in a red light and the engine starts shaking. Your gas mileage is dropped and you can't figure out why. One of the most overlooked culprits is the mass airflow sensor. This little device tells the engine computer exactly how much air is coming in. When it gets dirty, the engine gets the wrong fuel mix. It's like running a marathon while breathing through a straw. Steps to reset the MAF. Disconnect the negative battery cable and let the car sit for 15 minutes. While you wait, find the MAF sensor near your air filter. If you have some specialized MAF cleaner, give the wires inside a quick spray. Never touch them with your fingers. Once dry, reinstall it and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 minutes. This forces the ECU to relearn the airflow data from scratch. You'll save big at the gas pump and get that smooth idle back. 9th trick, ABS light reset. Few things are more annoying than a glowing ABS light when your brakes feel perfectly fine. Often this is just a soft code caused by a bit of road salt or a temporary sensor hiccup. The car doesn't always clear this on its own. To reset the ABS light, locate your fuse box and find the ABS fuse. Carefully remove it and leave it out for about 15 minutes. This drains the stored memory of the ABS module. Reinsert the fuse, start the engine, and drive slowly in a straight line for a short distance. If it was just a glitch, the light will vanish. If it stays on, then it's time to check the sensors, but this reset saves you a trip to the shop more often than not. 8th trick, ECU Hard Reset, the Lobotomy. This is for when your car is acting like a total brat, limp mode, weird shifting, or a check engine light that won't go away after a repair. Think of this as a factory reset for your car's brain. Over time, the ECU stores bad habits based on poor fuel quality or sensor glitches. Here is how you do a hard reset. Disconnect both the positive and negative battery cables. Now here's the trick. Touch the cable ends together for about 30 seconds. Do not touch the battery terminals themselves, just the cables. This drains any leftover power in the capacitors. Reconnect the cables, start the engine, and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching the gas. This forces the ECU to forget its corrupted memory and relearn factory defaults. It's like a fresh start for the entire vehicle. 7th trick, Transmission Adaptive Reset. Does your car slam into gear or hunt for the right gear on the highway? Modern transmissions learn your habits, but they can store bad patterns that make the gearbox feel clunky. To reset the transmission, turn the key to on without starting the engine. With your foot firmly on the brake, slowly move the shifter through every single gear. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, pausing for 3 seconds at each position. Do this twice. Then return to park, turn the key off, and wait a minute. Drive gently for the next few miles. You'll notice smoother shifts and much better predictability. Sixth trick, idle air control reset. If your car stalls at stoplights or the idle dips dangerously low when you turn on the AC, your IAC system is out of sync. The fix, start the car with all accessories, AC, radio, lights, turned off. Let it idle for 5 minutes. Now switch on the AC and the high beams and let it idle for another 5 minutes. Turn everything off again and take it for a short drive. This teaches the ECU how to handle different engine loads so you don't stall in the middle of an intersection. Number 5, airbag light reset. The airbag light is unsettling, but often it's triggered by something as simple as moving the seats too fast or a weak battery. To reset, turn the key to on, wait for the airbag light to illuminate, and the very second it goes out, turn the key to off immediately. Repeat this cycle 3 times in a row. On the 4th try, start the engine normally. If it was a glitch, the system will verify the sensors and clear the light. Now note, if it stays on, get it checked, safety first. The 4th to the 2nd tricks, the quick hits. Number 4, fuel trim reset. If your gas mileage is terrible, disconnect the battery for 30 minutes. This wipes the long-term fuel trim data and lets the car recalibrate its diet. Number 3, power steering reset. If your steering feels stiff after a jump start, turn the wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and back to center. This recalibrates the electric steering motor. Number 2, battery management system, or BMS. On newer cars, if you change the battery, the car needs to know. Often you can reset this by toggling the rear fog light button 5 times and the hazard button 3 times. Check your manual, but don't let the dealer charge you $150 for this. Number 1, the secret Immobilizer Handshake. This is the big one. Your car cranks but won't start, or the security light is flashing. You think the engine is dead. Nope, your car just forgot its own key. Mechanics love to charge for a new ECU here, but try this first. The reset. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. Leave it there for exactly 10 minutes. Watch the security light. It should eventually stop flashing or go out. Turn the key to off for 30 seconds. Repeat this entire process 3 times. On the 3rd cycle, your car and the key will perform a digital handshake and resync. It takes 30 minutes, but it beats a $500 towing and reprogramming fee. There you have it, 11 ways to tell your car to pull itself together and stop acting out. Don't let the dealerships take your hard-earned money for things you can fix in your pajamas. If one of these worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your success stories. Smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive secrets, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay greasy, my friends.